We are focusing on the entrepreneur, and let's look at you reconnecting with your why. I am Sulipan, your personal transformation coach. It's so easy for us to get bogged down in the daily grind of our business, and then we buy into the noise of the world outside, and we tend to shift from inspired and excited to reactive and survival mode in our business. We are looking down, we are focusing, we are just acting from moment to moment, keeping our business afloat, killing the fires, and just surviving every day so that we can stand another day. And this results in in burnout for us and a disconnect from our why. We forget why we walked into, why we started this path and this business. So when that happens, when you really feel overwhelmed and you wonder, is this even worth it? Why am I doing this? This is just horrible. I am not enjoying my day. It's time for you to move away because likely you have become part of the problem because you are so focused on just doing what is most important in the moment that you've forgotten and you've lost your vision, and you can no longer give that vision to your employees, and your customers will know that there is there's nothing bigger for this business. This is a business in decline, and people are looking down and inward, and I, as the customer, I am no longer being considered. That is not your intention. Your true intention is to give the best service. It is to look after your staff and give a good, stable, sustainable business to the world. It is important to literally remove yourself from your business. If you have staff that you can rely on, let them step in for a day or even for a week if you can afford. Or get somebody to come and babysit your business for a day or for 2 days so that you can really move away from it. Make this a time where you revisit your why. Why am I in this business? And get a bird's eye view. Forget what is happening in the business right now at this moment. This is not the purpose of you moving away from the business. It is for you to reconnect with it. So why did I start this business? What did I want from this business? What did I want to provide with this business? What did I want the business to bring to me? What was my future vision for this business? And it would be good for you to sit and write every one of these, take each one of these questions, write down your answer, really focus on your answer. Remember how you felt when you set off on this path. Remember the excitement, remember the motivation you carried within you. And then ask yourself, what did you personally want from it? First, it'll be to pay for your house or to pay for your vehicle or to pay for whatever it is that you want to pay for with the money you earn from this business. But what did you want? What does it bring to you internally? Independence, joy, a purpose in life. What did you want from that business? It's time to go within and answer that question. And as you move through each one of these questions, ask yourself, is this still relevant? Is this still true today? And I want to tell you, there's nothing wrong. You are not a failure if you decide, I no longer want to continue. Too often, we feel that we must continue with something so that the people out there, that we don't look a failure to the world outside. When in actual fact, we are slowly dying within. When you have done this exercise, as I've just suggested, You will know whether you want to reinvest into that business, when you want to step up again for it, or if it's time to close the doors on it. And I want to give you permission that if you decide it's time to close the doors, it is okay. Just be sure that you don't close the doors because you feel that you are not good enough, that you feel you are not worthy. Those are not reasons to close the business. Those are the reasons why you have the business, so that you can find that within you. And then on a daily basis from there forward, you're now back in your business. What can you do daily? You will have a list as long as your arm anyway of the tasks and the things that you need to do. So just prioritize them. Know what is first and shift what you can to other people. It's time to maybe delegate, and it's sometimes time to say, I am not taking on this job. I am going to pass it on to another business. That is also okay, because you cannot give it your true attention. And then I'm asking you to take 4 minutes every day. 2 minutes to reconnect to your why. You've just done this exercise where you looked at your why, reconnect to it. And then 2 minutes to see the vision for your business and to feel it. Reconnect to that excitement that brought you here in the first place. That becomes such a power cornerstone. And when we feel that we're losing it, that it's becoming too much of a grind every day, it is because we forgot that feeling that set us off on this path. I wish you best as you move forward. Remember, master your beliefs and you will master your future, because that is what's playing a role here for you at the moment. Be kind to yourself in the process, and we will chat soon.